Hey guys, welcome back for another video. My name's Jimmy. This is Living Sustainably. Today, I want to show you guys what I've got going on this year for my seed starting setup. Last year, we were getting ready to buy the new homestead. We were getting ready to sell the old house. We didn't really do a garden. We did a couple of tomato plants and a couple of jalapeno plants in buckets, and that was about all we could do because we didn't really we wanted to focus all our energy on selling the new house. So before we get into the video, please hit that subscribe button and like the video if you enjoy our content, because it really is the best way to support the channel. This year, I had originally planned on building a greenhouse to get our seeds started in. Obviously, that's not working out, just not enough time in the day to be able to do this and work a full-time job. So what I decided to do, what I did do last year, was I started with a grow light and just a little tote, and I did some sweet potato starts, and I started to grow a little aloe plant that you can see behind me here, and that worked pretty good for a little tiny small scale. This year we want to get everything started for our entire garden. So what we did was we bought this shelf that you see behind me from Sam's Club. It's about 4 feet long, it's about 6 feet tall, 6 tiers to it, and then I got these plug trays here. They hold 72, there's 72 plugs in it, so I can potentially have 72 plants in this one container. Got 10 of those, and then I got these basins, and that'll carry water, and then the seed trays will sit right on top of that to draw in the water. And then I got these LED strip lights. Each strip light is about 20 watts because it is LEDs. And so I've got 6 of them. One up here, and then one just zip tied underneath to each one of these shelves. And they all connect, so all 6 of them together equal 120 watts, so you can actually run all of them on one plug. And I've got a simple little timer down here that I've got them plugged into, and so that way I can actually set my time so the lights come on at one point in the morning and then they turn off automatically at night, so it mimics sunlight. And plus we're inside, so it's a controlled environment. Don't have to worry about anything freezing, no frost or anything. So I'm gonna start getting all of my seeds started in here. I'll put links below for the trays and the grow lights. They will be affiliate links, so great opportunity to support the channel. It doesn't cost anything, but it does help us out a little bit if you decide you want to buy anything. And then I'm probably going to use this additionally throughout the year for things like microgreens and maybe even some fodder for the rabbits. In addition, I also got some little peat pots and some row covers, floating row covers for the garden this year, hopefully to help stave off the frost whenever we get some of those cold weather crops in there, like the kale and the salad greens, that kind of thing. These, I do plan to start about twice as many seeds as what I have planned for the garden, and I will offer for sale in my area some of the seed starts. And you know, that's part of my plan as far as the homestead having multiple sources of income. I might be offering some things that some of the local nurseries don't. So another thing I've done since the last video is I ordered my first batch of chickens. So the weather has been too cold to really do much more work on that chicken coop. I still need to paint it, and you know, it's been very cold here, so haven't really been able to do that. But I did not realize that there was any kind of a back order issue on chickens. Jason over on Sutherland mentioned that he just ordered his first batch of meat chickens. So I got on there and I ordered some for us. Actually ordered about 20 egg layers and 30 meat chickens. First time ever ordering chickens. So we're very excited. We'll be getting those sometime around the last week of March. Additionally, I'm gonna have to build a chicken tractor for the meat chickens because I am gonna keep them separate from my egg layers. So that'll be another video coming up soon. In the meantime, with the weather the way it has been, I have been working on a bookshelf. So this bookshelf is gonna be my first ever interior furniture quality piece that I've ever built. So I'll be putting a video out for that. It's a big custom bookshelf to house all of our books. Stay tuned for that. So that's it, guys. That's my video for today. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share the video. You know, that's really the best way to get this channel to grow. I rely on you guys, so I really appreciate you tuning in, and let me know below in the comments if you like this video. Until the next time, take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and we'll catch you on the next one.